welcome back. Before I continue to proceed on to the print and cut feature on this design space, first of all, we need to do the calibration. All right, so where are we, basically where to find, okay, the calibration buttons. So where you need to go into the settings down here, okay, your user, the settings. So this settings down here, you can go into the machine. From here, this is the machine calibration. You select which machine, which model you are using. So for example, I'm using a maker. So from here, after I selected the maker, I will click on to this start. Thereafter, because I'm going to perform the print and cut, so I will click the print and cut. You select your printer. I'm using the Epson L3250. So I will just click the print and it will print out a calibration sheet. From the calibration sheet, we need to stick on to the cutting mat, right? Hi guys, before we actually attempt to do the print and cut feature on the Cricut machine, it will be best that you print out a calibration sheet. Right, so this is how the calibration sheet looks like. All right, we will run basically it's a must to do a calibration before you attempt to do the print and cut feature. Right, so again, so I'm going to run this onto my Cricut maker and we will I will actually guide you from there. Okay, so what we do is we will load the cutting mat with the calibration sheet onto the maker, and what we'll do is we'll just follow the arrow. We press the arrow and we'll let it load and let it run. Okay, so after we load the paper, right, so we'll just press the cut and we will let it calibrate. Okay, so what happens was it actually cuts all the vertical lines and it actually cuts all the horizontal lines. So you just have to make sure that they are actually asking which one is the one who actually cuts in the center. So I've seen mine is actually at the 7 and the horizontal line will be at L, right? So we need to fit that in onto the design space. Okay, so I already fit in the 10 and L, and the next thing we need to Okay, so the calibration has been done. So the final step will be cutting this square. Okay, so you're actually cutting at the center of the line. Okay, so you can see they are actually cutting the center. So right now this Cricut maker, it's already calibrated. Okay, so from now on we can be able to perform the print and cut. Yay! So we will continue from here.